ViSCO Technologies provide automatic image processing inspection system, which boasts of its high accuracy and performance. With automating appearance inspection as a replacement of the human eye, it enables inspections to be more stable and reliable. And it leads to improved accuracy of quality control and yield of your factory. We have been well received for our high inspection accuracy, and our inspection systems have been installed in many industries and manufacturing processes. However, machine vision is not universal. To lead you better machine vision experience, there are some things we like you to keep in your mind before installing. Do take steps to install, without trying to automate everything at once. Particularly when it is the very first trial of machine vision installment. Many clients tend to have full expectation. If you try to install all at once, it may become so challenging. Because the number of cameras will increase with complicated system configuration, so that amount of time to get verified will also increase. So, step by step, or one part to another, let us start with one process which is easier to realize automation. To recognize that even good samples vary in appearance. For industrial products, using the same environment and same materials every time, does not guarantee that the same products can be produced. Slight variances may occur from lot to lot. So we propose the method that creates statistically correct sample from multiple images with slight variances, such as surface color, shading or size. With using this statistically correct sample, the accuracy of inspection will be improved and more guaranteed. Do set standard of machine vision, with understanding variation in judgment between visual inspectors. Replacing inspection standard, from human to machine is not thus simple, due to the circumstance, such as men often make decision with their sense. Therefore, it causes difference by individual. So, a procedure will be required to set up inspection item, with finding common standard from each different human visual inspector, and bringing it into machine vision. As the expert in image processing technology and image processing inspection, we are always ready to solve problems regarding quality assurance of your manufacturing line. Kazuhiro Tsuji. Images all the way. ViSCO Technologies, Thailand.